I think developing infrastructure are very essential for progressing of a nation. Now I'd like to talk about recently developing in our area. I live in countryside. That's why there are not facility available right now. But our honorable Prime Minister take action to solve this problem. We are suffering a few years this problem, like uh, transportation, electricity, and also education. I live a countryside, that's why there are main problem this. But recently our Prime Minister take action to solve this problem, and recently our Prime Minister give a river bridge. I live in village, that's why there are river. That's why we are go to cities. When I rain, that time we are going to cities and we are suffering. Then we are MP try to problem this try to solve this problem, and we are tell him, and he take action. And recently starting bridge with a river, and it almost 30 kilometer. It is almost 3 kilometer longest river in my local area. And that's why it is very good and very essential for our village. And recently we are appreciate our honorable MP because he take a vital role solving this type of problem. And our so many infrastructure right now growing. That's why we are appreciating him, and he always focus to our people problem. And he always tell me, you can just ask me, and you can just notice me what's your village problem. Because when you grow up your country, you should focus your problem. You solve this problem, and you can do better something for world. Right now our MP do something for our village, and we are appreciate him, and love you very much. Thank you.